So, in today's video, let's go to the beach. Ang time is 7:30 AM, still early for me. And ito, nagpakulo ako ng tinulang manok ay baon natin today. So, ito yung ating tinulang manok. Ayan. Pinakulang ko siya at saka doon ko siya kakainin for my breakfast. Nakapag-outfit na ako, no? Para diretso na. Di na ako magbihis. Di na ako magbihis pagdating doon. So, I got this. Bihis na tayo. Para doon, diretso na tayo, no? So, ito yung ating, manok. Nilagyan ko siya ng alugbate. Ang importante lang sa akin kasi yung sabaw. Gusto kong humigop ng mainit na sabaw. So, ito, baon natin. Lagyan ko ng dalawang manok. So, maraming sabaw. Sarap humigop ng sabaw. Ito na to. Wala kang baon na tinapay. Ayan. Dito yung baon natin. Meron akong baon na apple. Ayan. Ito yung baon natin. So, tayo. So, on the way na tayo sa beach. A little bit sunny today. Dala ako ng baon. May dala akong gamit. Cheeseburger din tayo dito. So, dito na tayo, guys. Kalimutan kong dalhin yung drone ko. So, sana naidala ko yung drone ko para makapaglaro man lang tayo, no? Dito tayo na dito tayo pwesto. Teka, meron akong dalang. Ayan. Sabi natin. Yung dala. Pwes. So, bago ako mag-umpisa mag-swimming, naisipan ko nga mag-push up muna pang pa-warm up at saka sit up. Kaya yun, push up muna tayo. Ay, nakapag-push up si Inday ng 14 push up. At sabayan din natin ng sit up para naman energetic yung araw natin. At gaganahan tayo mag-swimming later. Enjoy this beach moment. Char. At syempre, para sulit yung ating beach day, meron akong dalang cheeseboard. And I'm playing myself alone. Di ba? I can eat you. That is... You didn't see it? Checkmate. So, ito na. I-enjoy na natin yung view. We enjoy the view of Ripples Bay, Hong Kong beach. It is very nice here. Not much people. So, it's time to swim. Tada! Okay. Okay, I'm going to swim. I take a little video of myself. I'm filming myself here, but not much because no one is looking after my stuff. So, I'm going to the water right now. So, ito na tayo. Mag-swimming na tayo. Ay, charot. Ang ganda ng tubig. Ang sarap ng tubig. Ang lamig ng tubig. Sabayan ng mainit na araw. Char. The weather is cool. The weather is hot because it's so sunny. And the temperature is 33 degrees Celsius. And the water is very cool. I love it. It's so much cool ever. I mean, I love to swim when the water is like, and the weather is very great, like it's so sunny. I don't care my skin is getting darker. Some people don't like to swim on the beach because of the hot weather from the sun. They're scared to get dark skin. They're scared to get sunburn. But for me, wow, this is a very good thing to swim under the sun. when the weather is good, because if winter is coming, then you cannot swim on the beach, right? So here I am, so I'm just enjoying the water. Oh, super nice to swim. But yeah, it's very nice time also to filming myself swimming. It is my first time to film myself swimming on the beach, and it's like I am a kid. It's like I am a child playing in the water and then swimming, and then, like, you know, it's so nice to do like that sometimes. And yeah, it's pretty good to just being yourself, enjoying and filming yourself. Why not? So you can see, ang ganda ng dagat. Nag-enjoy din yung mga babies. So beautiful beach here. And here I am. Look at me here. What is she doing? Splashing the water? Wow. She's like, you know, enjoying herself so much. Splashing the water, enjoying the water. That is a very good thing. And I love to do like this. Being alone, be myself, playing with myself. It is a very great moment in your life that you just, yeah, no need to be with people. You need to be with anybody else. Just be yourself. And yeah, filming yourself like that is so good. And here I am, I'm writing on the sand. This is what I'm really doing in my real life. Like, even if I'm not filming, I love to be alone than with anybody. Being alone is my self-love. I said, yeah, it's gone. I love me, but it's gone. So, hi guys! In this afternoon, ganina nag-swimming tayo sa umaga. Ngayon naman, let's go for a hike. So, samahan niyo ako guys. Let's go more adventure for today. Let's put on our shoes. Yeah. Sapatos tayo. Ginanahan akong ano nga yung araw na to. Gagala. So, let's go for a hike. Tara guys! Here we are. Start na tayo sa ating journey for hiking. Time check is 4:30 p.m. Okay. So, mild pa lang itong ating nilakad ngayon. Wala pang hagdanan. But soon, we can go get there. So, let's go! So, as I can see, as I tell you earlier, nasa mild pa lang tayo. Hindi pa masyadong mahirap itong lakad natin. So, pinagpawisan ako ng konti. May konting pawis nang lumabas sa aking skin. So, malapit na tayong pupunta sa... Hindi na masyadong mahirap. It's just mild, but dalawa to eh. Where can we go? Peekaboo. There's two way. Diyan ba tayo sa left side? Or dito tayo sa right side? What do you think, guys? So, let me think. Where can I go? Here kasi, pwede akong pumunta sa Braemar Hill. And here naman, I will end up there in the Wangchong Naigap Road. Okay. And maybe we can go this way. Alright, let's go this way. Tadan! Oh, this is it guys. Ito na yung ating journey. Alala. Ayan na. So, let's start for the hike. This is a great moment. Ang ganda ng view dito. Start natin greeny view here. Here you go. Look at that view. This is Taitam. Yeah, Taitam Reservoir po yan dyan. As you can see, ang ganda po talaga ng view dyan. Punta ako dyan once. One day. And actually guys, I dropped my phone. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I dropped my phone. O talaga siya sa bato. It's hard drop, you know, but I hope it's still okay. Nag-crack naman siya pero may screensaver naman. Let's see it later how it goes. So, yeah, ito na yung hagdanan. Look at the stairs. Let's go up to the top. Good thing I have a good phone. Otherwise, oh la la, flying to the top. What a beautiful view. As you can see, perfect moment. More stairs to go. More stairs to go, guys. Let's go. Magpayong ka, inday, kay mainit. Here you go. Right, as you can see, that's how many steps is this? Right, keep going until going to the top. Patag na tayo. Okay, let's have this moment na patag na. I wonder what's inside. Kuweba ito eh. Kuweba yan dyan sa loob. Pero danger daw, bawal pumasok. Kaya diretso lang tayo. Okay. Huwag ka na mag-attempt dyan. I see danger, no entry. So let's keep going. Okay. More nice to see that one here. So perfect. Look at the beautiful place. Alright. Yun ang Taitam Reservoir. As you can see, it's very nice. Relaxing moment. Ang ganda pati ng hangin. Choices here where I can go. I can go to Hong Kong Trail. I can go to Tai Phong Ao. I can go to Wong Nai Changap, but this I've been there already. To the other side, but I didn't choose that way. And also here, either I can go to Wilson Train to Saumasan para pagtawag nun. So let's see, maybe I can go this way. As you can see me, napakainit ng panahon, no? Pero ito, nag-enjoy ako dito sa aking pag-hike. Look at my face, para nanglilitson. Sobrang asinaw ba? Sa Bisaya, pasinaw na kaayo. But I don't care. This is the life I want. So yeah, and thank you so much guys for keep being my solid supporter. So yeah, I'm happy. I am enjoying my day. I don't care my dark skin anymore. Look at that, the bag. Diba? Ang ganda. Oh, look at that. So in this area, medyo palapit na tayong pauwi. So ito na yung area na malapit na tayo. Pababa naman tayo ng hagdanan. Okay, let's keep going. This is life, right? Enjoy life to the fullest. Let's go to the hike. Let's go for the hike. Come on, buddies. Come on, let's go, 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 go. Be energetic and be positive always. Hiking is very good. Anyway, wow, hindi ko pa maabutan yung sunset. So, Here we go. I show you Hong Kong. Man yung Hong Kong side. Ayan yung dagat yan dyan. Tapos maraming building besides. Actually, yung iba nasa gitna pa ng dagat. Yeah. And here you go. Si Mr. Sun ay andyan pa. Malayo pa siya uupo. Malayo pang uupo si Mr. Sun. Malayo pa. Okay, nag-enjoy pa siya dyan. Time check is 5:30. So, kung makikita niyo yan dyan, look at that. Diba, yung dagat, yung buildings, yeah, sa gitna ng dagat. Oh, ganun kaliit ang Hong Kong. Hong Kong is very small, but then small space, but a lot of buildings, even if in the, you know, in the middle of the sea. That is beautiful one. Yeah. Can you fly? Can you fly? Yeah. Fly, 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 a butterfly. You're so beautiful. Look at your color. I love it. Look at you. So pretty you are, yeah? Uh-huh. Flying, you're flying. Where are you? Hello, hello. Hello, pretty. This is it. Stairs to down. Down there, under. We are finished. Yeah, so I'm almost done. I'm almost finished in my hiking. Yeah, slowly down, down, and down. Down, 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 down. Very nice. So, we are done for hike. We are done, finished. Tapos na ang ating hike. So, let's go here. In this way, pauwi na tayo sa kalsada na dadaan. So, mild na lang yung ating lakad. Okay. Alright, so we keep going here this way. Thank you so much for watching my video. As always, supporting me.